Hi there, students. Tinder. Okay, Tinder is a noun. To tinder as a verb, maybe you could just about. Okay, tinder are small dry pieces of something, particularly wood, that burns really easily, and this is used to make a fire. So we collected some small sticks and dry grass as tinder to start our fire. Kindling. You use tinder to kindle a fire, to make it burn. Tinder is what you use, it's the very first stage of making a fire. You find dry things that burn really well, and then you light that and you use that to kindle your fire. Okay, we've got a good collocation. Something is tinder-dry, so dry that it will burn really easily. At the end of summer, the forest is tinder-dry, and the slightest spark could set off a serious forest fire. Okay, so tinder-dry. We also have the word a tinderbox. So originally a tinderbox is the box where you keep your tinder and your thing to make sparks to make a fire. But notice we use this word tinderbox to talk about a dangerous situation, a situation in which violence is very probable. After the inflammatory racist speeches, the area has become a tinderbox. Yeah, it's ready to ignite, to burn, to start violence. Okay, so a situation in which violence is suddenly likely to interrupt. The press are making the tinderbox situation in this area much worse. We don't know if there's going to be civil war or not, but the area is a tinderbox. Okay, it's likely to erupt in violence very suddenly. Okay, so then we can also use this word tinder, something that incites people, something that makes them angry, it inflames them. So his rhetoric was tinder for revolution. It's something that incited revolution. His speech is tinder for people who want this tinderbox situation to explode. Okay, so tinder, very dry materials. The woods are tinder dry, but a very sensitive situation, yeah, is also tinder dry. It could be a tinderbox and explode in problems, and this is the idea of tinder. So his speech was tinder to the unrest, something that was kindling, something that makes it burn better. Okay, so to exacerbate a bad situation. Okay, so tinder, small dry sticks, kindling and to kindle. And then as a verb, to tinder, to set fire to something. Yeah, to make it burn. Although I think maybe you could say something like his speech tindered the situation as well. Okay, tinder. How formal is tinder? This is, I would say, a neutral word, and you could use it just about anywhere. Tinderbox as well, and the phrase tinder-dry, you could use anywhere. So great phrase to use. And then as to origin, well, there's an Old English word tinder, meaning tinder, which actually comes from a Proto-Germanic word, tundra or tundro, again meaning tinder. So it hasn't changed much over time, but you will always need some tinder to kindle a fire. Okay, so tinder, dry material, or something that serves to inflame, to incite. Yeah, this is tinder for the racial tensions that already exist in the area. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tinder.